Yes, we have added a doctor, added two branches. Then we discussed about the state codes management. Now we have left HSN, SAC master, then product master, and patient register. Okay. Before getting into product service master, we should create HSN SAC master because each product and service are linked to a HSN SAC code. Okay, so whenever we are creating a product or service, that has to be linked to a HSN SSC code. It is better that let us create the HSN SSC master and go for product or service. Or while you are creating a product or service, that time also you can create a HSN SSC master, that I will tell you later. But let us now create HSN SSC master. Okay, and before jumping into that, one thing, see, we already covered three master data, and you might have already noticed after each and every action, when we are clicking on save or delete record, automatically that window is getting closed and we are switching back to the home screen. But we wanted to create now four SSN codes. So each and every time we have to click on master management, to click on HSN master. That's a hassle. So to overcome that, there is an option. Let us just review that option. Go to preferences. While we are opening, this could be the activated tab. And here there is a option that close window automatically post procedure. That already checked it. Okay, so let us remove this check mark. Now it is deselected and click apply. Okay, it says that preferences modified successfully. Okay, let's click OK and close it. So the difference is now if we add a branch after saving, it will not come back to the home screen. It will be there in the branch management window only. Okay, so if we need to create another one branch immediately, then we can do that also. Okay, so we have to close the window, then only the window will be closed. It will not be closed automatically. But automatically window closing, that is a good option when we are in operations. When in actual life, after creating an invoice, let the system come back to the home screen normally. So that will be a good option. After creating the receipt, let it come back to the home screen. That will be good. But if we are doing a repeated work, then it will be good that let window not to close automatically. Okay, so we have made that change in the preferences, and now click on master management button in the home screen and click on HSN SSC master from the list. Now this is the window for HSN SSC management. Okay, HSN is for products and SSC is for the service items. Okay, and window format is similar to the already discussed topics. The top one is the title, and bottom there are control buttons are there, and in the middle there are the data which we can edit or create whatever we want to do. We can do. Okay, there is another one more thing. You might have noticed that each and every command buttons having a caption, and one of the letter will be having an underlined. Okay, this is the save button, and in the save S is underlined, and in cancel button C is underlined, and clear button L is underlined. Those who are operating through the keyboard, they can hold Alt key in the keyboard and press this underlined letter in the keyboard. That's a shortcut for the operation. So that means Alt plus S will save, Alt plus C will cancel this window, and Alt plus L will clear the window. Okay, for the trial, I'm just pressing Alt and C. Now that window is cancelled and I'm back to home screen. Okay, now we are creating a new HSN SSC code. I'm just going to create a nil tax item which is not having any tax. Okay, so let us type nil tax. Okay, so that will have a CGST of 0%, SCST also 0%, and not. This is a brief message about this particular HSN code. This will not appear in any of the area. It will be only with the database, and we can understand that what it is about. Okay, so that just for a trial I'm entering for no tax items. Okay, and my cursor is there in the note. Okay, I'm not clicking on the save button, but rather I'm just holding my Alt key in the keyboard and pressing S. See, we have already created one HSN code successfully. HSN SSC code is nil tax. Okay, and click OK. See, we have already created one HSN SSC code, but the window is not closed. Still, we are with that HSN management only. and we can see that the created HSN. This is the one we have already created. Till now we have discussed about 2 3 master data, and those master data might be having a combo box, and when we are clicking on that combo box listed item, related data to that combo box item will be listed over here. But in this case it is not listing because this is a dual purpose combo box, because we are not only selecting it through this combo box, but whereas we can create new one also with this. See, select the combo box item, okay, and press enter. Okay, so we have opened that item in a edit mode. Okay, see, delete record and save has gone, and update button has come. Okay, so let us create a few more HSN codes also. I'm just clearing it. Okay, again it has switched back to create mode. Okay, delete the code is disabled, and the save button has come back. Now just creating another HSN code 1 2 3 4, and it has got a 6 plus 6 tax slabs. Alt yes. Okay, that is saved. I have created few HSN codes. Let us view it to see. I have a nil tax side HSN code, and 1 2 3 4 code, and 4 5 6 7 and 6 7 8 9. Okay, so we have created these many codes, and let us cancel now to get back to home screen from this HSN SAC master window. Okay, if you wanted to edit any of the code, you can just go back and select the item, press enter, so that is activated. You can add any node or delete record and change the percentage. Anything you wanted to do, you can do it. Okay, for time being I'm just canceling it. Okay, so we are successfully done with our HSN SAC master.